drivers blues. Oh, these truck drivers blues. Well, I got me a rig, it takes the curves, 2 tons of steel, shaking my nerves, pumping them brakes, slamming them gears. Seems like I ain't been home in 10 years. Oh, these truck drivers blues. All right. I've been on that road all day and all night, and it looks like I come from a rooster fight. Drinking caffeine, hot steam, running real fast, 'cause the last few miles have been dragging by fast. I'm hauling cows and shucking that corn, and driving big old trucks since I was born. Oh, these truck drivers blues. Oh, these truck drivers blues. Well, I got me a rig, it takes the curves, 2 tons of steel, shaking my nerves, popping them brakes, slamming it in gears. Seems like I ain't been home in 10 years. Oh, these truck drivers blues. Let it cut. I got a little doll baby waiting back home. She talks sweet to me when I am gone. A little blonde on blonde hillbilly honey, like it says on my truck, her name is Connie, Connie, Connie. I got her up there on the dashboard of my dreams. Can't wait to get back home, if you know what I mean. Yeah! Oh, these truck drivers blues. Oh, these truck drivers blues. Well, I got me a rig, it takes the curves, 2 tons of steel, shaking my nerves, popping them brakes, slamming them gears. Seems like I ain't been home in 10 years. Oh, these truck drivers blues. Oh, these truck drivers blues.